Welcome to 3000 Twin Oaks Way. This stylish 3-bedroom, 2 full bath patio home with a 2-car garage, covered front porch, fenced backyard with screen porch, as well as an updated interior with luxury vinyl plank flooring, granite countertops, and updated bathrooms, is located in the Creekside subdivision, which is just at the edge of Reflections in Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, VA Hospital, and Garners Ferry Road as well. So we're out front. You can see the home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac street. You have a nicely landscaped property with a nice wide driveway leading up to a 2-car garage. You also have a nice walkway here leading up right past the palm tree to a covered front porch that runs sort of along the center of the home. And you step inside right into sort of a small foyer area that opens into the open floor plan main living space. You'll notice as soon as you come in, nice high ceilings with the vaulted ceilings, so nice and airy feel as you come in. You have some beautiful columns here, sort of separating off the entryway, and also gorgeous light colored luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living area as well. To our left, as we come in, you do have a coat closet conveniently located here. And you can see the view forward towards the open plan living room with the gas log fireplace. You have some track lighting above, nice woodwork detailing above the fireplace. And then you can see it's open to the kitchen and dining area with the nice counter bar with nice molding and detailing there, and granite countertops on the countertop and the island as well. We'll swing back around just quickly so you can get a view back towards the front door. The nice columns in the entryway, but back to the kitchen, you have a nice subway tile backsplash in here as well, in addition to stainless steel appliances. So you have a above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and there also is a French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer freezer and dishwasher here on this side of the island, sort of uniquely put in. And then nice sliding doors back out to the outside space. So back here you have a nice screen patio with a ceiling fan, and then a privacy fence backyard here with a shed. And then you have a nice wood deck off the right side of the property. Pretty nice sized backyard as it kind of runs along the length of the home. So back inside, you have, I believe, the primary suite to our right side over here. Also access to the garage, but we'll take a look at the primary first. So you can see it's here. You have window out towards the backyard, a walk-in closet, and then also a ceiling fan in here as well. And then also nicely updated bathroom with the large format tile flooring and a nice sort of wood countertop, updated vessel sinks, and nice lighting, mirrors, and fixtures as well. Then on the opposite side here, you have a nice walk-in shower, kind of some frosted glass, and continue sort of the wood and black metal theme on the curio cabinet there. You get access to the garage via the laundry room. So you have full-size washer dryer connections there, space for side-by-side machines, and then access to the spacious 2-car garage. See, there is a small vehicle in there right now, just parked in there to give you an idea of some scale. But you do have some built-in shelving, an attic pull down with some possible storage, and looks like some hooks and organizers sort of installed along the walls in there as well. On the opposite side of the property, sort of off of the living area and the entry, you can see there's some additional shelving here going towards sort of that goes with the kitchen, and then some in a pantry here, or just a linen closet shelving. And then you also have two bedrooms that share sort of a full bath, in this area. So there's one here that faces the backyard. You have a ceiling fan in there, as well as walk-in closet. And then small hallway passes through to another full bathroom. You can see nicely updated mirror and fixtures there. And then on the opposite side, you have your shower and tub. Nice tile flooring updated in here as well. Some wood shelving. And then this room is also connected to the bathroom. So you have access to sort of a a guest suite or a nice office space, or however you want to use that, but it is connected to that full bathroom that's also accessible from that small hall. And you see the closet there. And then this is, of course, right off of that entryway. And we're back out into the main space. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 3000 Twin Oaks Way in Southeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.